didn't catch them. There's next time we'll go around. Hey, we saw you twice already, huh? What's your name? Richard. Flash the camera, Richard. No. It is on. Look, look, look.
Camera?
Yep. What are you doing, ditcher?
I'm waiting for ditching.
You're ditching.
Yeah.
Hey guys, this is Richard, and what grade are you in?
11.
11th. You're pretty old.
Yep.
I'm just kidding.
What grade are you in?
Take a guess.
Grade
Take a guess. What? No.
10.
No.
Why?
I'm a freshie.
Why?
No, I really am. Daisy?
Sexy.
You are too. Wait, I need to go spy on someone. Look at Wendy's pieces. No. Let's roll up out of this bitch.